Ingredients: Mexican taco. Tortillas. 2 chicken breasts. Pepper, onion. Juice, coriander, salt, pepper, chili powder, oil. The pan is added oil over high heat. Diced chicken is added to the pan and sealed in its outer part. Chicken is removed from the pan and placed on a plate. The pan is lowered the temperature to medium heat. Green pepper, yellow pepper, and red pepper cut into thin strips are added to the pan, and then diced onion is added. The vegetables are mixed so that they are spoken over medium heat without taking color, more or less 15 minutes. The chicken is added to the pan after the vegetables have been cooked. Salt and pepper are added to the pan to flavor the vegetables and chicken. Chili powder is occasionally added to the pan. The ingredients are mixed for an additional 5 minutes for the chicken to finish cooking. The wheat or corn tortillas are cooked in the pan for 1 minute on each side. The ingredients are added to the tortilla, more or less tablespoon and a half per tortilla. The chopped fresh coriander is sprinkled on the taco to your liking. The lemon or lime is squeezed on top of the taco to give it a tart flavor. To finish the griddle, cheese is added on top of the block the amount you want.